just the frequency and volume a bit?
Startups, originators, musika, kultura, the arts, politika, sports, news, technology, crime, tragedy, comedy, lahat ng makabuluhan.
We are your independent podcast content creator, straight from the Philippine Islands. Mabuhay.
You're listening to podcast.ph.
This summer, school ends so your education begins. NU 107 and Rock Ed Philippines bring you Rock Ed Radio. 1 hour of sharp talk and suspended music, frank discussions on things we don't know about society and things we all know but never talk about. Music powered by Terno Recordings and cool guests.
Sino?
Hosted by Gang Badoy of Rock Ed Philippines and Lord De Vera of Radioactive Sago Project.
Okay.
Sunday nights at 8 on the home of New Rock, because knowledge is the new rock and roll. Learning begins on April Fools.
Podcast.ph presents Rockhead Radio.
With Gang, Erwin, and Lord.
Good God, that was us. Welcome. This is Rockhead Radio, the super unprofessional radio show, and I have with me in the studio Senator Francis Escudero. Wala akong taga-clap, sorry. Dapat may sound effects.
Ay, may
Jeez,
tatlo.
sabihan mo naman yung staff mo
May tatlo.
mag-clap.
Isa lang yun eh.
Anong klaseng senador
Isa
to? Walang
lang eh.
kasamang bodyguard, walang
Wala
staff.
eh.
Nauna pa siya sa'yo. On
Isa
air,
lang
I
eh.
think otherwise known as Cheese Escudero here in the studio. This is Rock Ed Radio. Lord De Vera is very busy. Erwin Romulo is, I'm not sure where he is. He says he'll try to pass by, but he's not here. So it's just me, one-on-one tayo.
I think that's to my advantage.
know-
Nawala sila?
No!
No ba?
Because they're fun. Lord De Vera is fun. I'm fun. Okay, sige, game. This, well, you know what? Today, there was a headline that says, you will not run for president. Ha? Bilis, no? Yun nakakalimutin.
Actually, sabi ko, wala akong balak tumakbo. Balak ko lang muna maglakad papunta sa altar. Huwag nilang ginugulo yun.
Abadoy! Ikaw nag-bring up, grabe. Hintayin mo naman ako mag-bring up ng kasal.
No, tinanong nila ako eh, may balak ka ba tumakbo? Ay ko, balak ko lang muna maglakad. Pwede ba tigilan niyo yung takbo-takbo?
Kasi
Tagal-tagal
for
pa
those
niyan.
who don't know and you just tuned in, Francis Escudero is going to get married in February 15.
Again?
Tama ba?
Again?
Tama ba? Oh, yeah. You know, that's so good because, you know, you've had, alam mo, sa sports, okay ang nag-ensayo. And I'm sure it's pretty much the same,
Ano yung
right?
practice lang yan? Ganun?
No. Because every game, final game, you know, it doesn't matter. Did it, okay, never mind. Grabe,
Go!
ang personal.
Kasama ba yan sa 16?
Did you see the,
The hesitation?
Nag-pause ako kasi naalala ko, shit, we're on air. But we can
Kasama
say
yan
bad
16?
words. Did you know that?
You can, I can.
Kasi we're not on KBP.
Yeah, but I can't get away with it. You can.
You can't. Yeah, you're right. I have a question. What, you know, because you're a public figure, obviously, and you're not just in the legislative scene, people are interested in your life because you're a celebrity, let's say, put it that way. They're interested in your personal life. Na. Are there things you can no longer do that you used to do and you miss? And you really can't... Whoa, bad words. Nagba-bad words ko.
Hanggang ngayon.
Oo, pero hindi lang in public.
Hindi sa mic.
Hindi. Okay,
Hindi pag may mic.
Walang major change in
Hindi
behavior.
dapat eh. Tinuro sa akin tatay ko yun eh. Pag wala na ako sa politika,
Oh.
biglang magbabago ka uli. Parang,
Oh.
plastic yata. Ang hirap huminga nun.
Hindi. There's
parang
a
hindi ka
stage,
makagalaw.
there's a backstage.
Hindi rin. I drive by myself.
Oh.
Hart, who's also who's a showbiz celebrity, we get to go out, go to malls. Wala naman. Nanood kami ng sino ng isang araw, yung Grace of Monaco.
Oo.
Normal.
Si Nicole Kidman
Kasi
yan,
hindi
ano?
naman dahil tama na feel mo. Yung parang feel na feel iba na.
Ramdam na ramdam.
Pag ganito na,
Ramdam
hindi
na
na pwede
ramdam ang
mapunta sa mall.
fame.
Alam mo, nung bago akong congressman, may isang congressman na gano'n. He was about to run for the Senate at that time.
Okay.
Kinausap niya ako. Alam mo,
Nag-feeling?
Cheese, nakakapunta ka ba ba sa mall? Oo, bakit?
Oo naman.
Ako hindi na eh.
Ang famous naman nun. Naks. Ang sarap. Yun ang mga naksable. Yun ang mga naksable statements.
So in that sense, it's still a normal life. I go to the mall with my kids. I wear shorts. I
But
wear
people
slippers.
stop you. They ask for photos. ganyan.
Sometimes. But sometimes they don't notice you because I don't
Baka
come
mas
in.
pogi ka sa TV.
No, hindi ka pinapansin kasi naka-shorts ka, naka-chinelas ka, wala ka namang kasamang 5 o 6 na nakabarong. So, they tend to
Kaya to what? To miss you? I mean, you don't stand
At the
out?
end of the day, you pass by, wala na. By the time they see you, either nakalampas ka na. And sometimes they're busy too, shopping and enjoying with their
But
families.
your wife is, your fiance is in a catastrophic level fame, so different from
Mas
you.
lalo ko hindi napapansin, nagmumukha akong alalay eh.
Hoy, ba't ka tumatawa? Pogi naman yung mga alalay ni Heart, ah.
Mukha kang alalay nga.
Oo nga, mukha kang yaya.
Hindi
Ayaw
naman, yaya, alalay lang. Tiga bit-bit lang.
Wait, I have a question. I remember...
Uh-oh.
I know, I'm sorry. Can I go there? Did you see me edit?
Pag mga I remember.
I remember I had a conversation with you some years back and you really told me nakita ko si Heart Evangelista sa airport.
Yeah.
Ang ganda
Did
pala
I tell
niya.
you that story?
Yeah, you did. I saw you that day and you said, alam mo, nakita ko si Heart Evangelista sa airport. Ang ganda pala niya talaga, no? Hindi mo siya kilala pa nun eh.
No.
You just saw her.
You know, she remembers that day too.
Ooh,
According to her. After I reminded
because
her.
you saw did you say hi?
No,
In
I
that
didn't know
airport. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, hindi pa sila magkakilala. I remember Cheese told me that he saw Heart and it struck you. You kept saying it over and over that evening and
It's
said,
a long time ago.
alam ko maganda siya pero ang ganda pala niya talaga over
It was
and
a long
over.
time
And then we started. Yeah, it was a long time ago. Mga
Kasi bago nun, nakita ko yata siya, iba yung boyfriend niya ng
iba yung boyfriend niya.
at an out-of-town event.
Nakita
And,
mo rin siya doon.
Yes, but she was far away from me. That was the first time I saw her up close.
Ganda na rin yan nun, di ba?
Kung
Isn't
sa malayo,
that
maganda eh,
amazing? Isn't that amazing? Well, I think it's amazing when you trace back, lalo na now the wedding is set and etc. Naglo-look back at sabi, pucha, nakita ko na to dati. Naisip mo ba noon na magiging fiancé mo siya?
Hindi.
Doon sa airport, doon sa
Kasi
airport.
mahilig naman ako mangarap pero hindi ganun kalayo yung pangarap ko. May hangganan yung pangarap ko eh. Hindi umabot ng ganun.
Ika nga ni Joy. You're a disciple of numbers. Yun yung ginamit niyang phrase describing you.
Student of numbers.
Student of numbers. And that was
Probabilities-wise?
not in your number,
No.
man. She's way out of your... Sorry, to be very frank.
Oh yes,
I didn't
because
expect that.
at that time, even when we were starting to get to know each other,
Oo. Hindi
I
mo
would
rin
al-
naisip na magkakagusto siya sa'yo,
I would
ganon?
often ask her why she was giving me the time of day. I mean,
Yung
not to
ba
fish,
di-
not to
okay.
fish. But really, I mean, in fact, akala
Why?
niya,
Because she was replying, she was saying yes to
akala niya
dinners.
friends, gusto ko lang maging friends because I wasn't saying
Friends.
anything because I felt presumptuous to presume na there was something there. Parang
Okay.
nahiya naman yata ako sa balat ko ng konti. Baka sabihin niya,
Humirit. Sir, humirit talaga kayo. Ganon, parang ganon.
parang gano'n, di ba? So, we just started getting to know each other.
Grabe. Kapal na mukha ni Cheese. Niligawan si Heart, oh.
Yun,
Grabe.
exacto.
I've been saying that the
No,
past 2 years.
exacto.
I'm so glad I get to say it to your face.
No, exacto. Kaya hindi ko ginawa eh.
Sabi namin, no way.
No, kaya nga hindi ko ginawa eh. Kasi that's why
and so
she
you-
thought, in fact, one time when her dad asked her daw, so, is he courting you? Ang sagot niya,
No.
I think I have a new friend. Because I wasn't making any moves. I wasn't, kasi parang nakakahiya ba? Parang,
Oo
hindi
nga.
naman yata,
Siya.
hindi naman yata angkop to.
Wait. But that's only, well, you're only based lang yan sa impression. I mean, hindi yun human to human kasi iba naman yung attraction ng human to human. You think you were basing it on because showbiz siya and she's stunning and
No,
she's,
I was basically basing it on reality.
Bakit?
Mahilig ako mangarap, pero hindi naman ako
Grabe
nangangarap
naman.
ng gising.
Grabe.
Pag
Alam
gising
mo,
ka gising, pag tulog-tulog.
The past 3 years, Cheese, I have been saying that. Nakakapal na mukha ni Cheese. He really went for Heart Evangelista hardcore. And then, of course, now you're getting married, which is... And I messaged you as soon as I found out you're engaged because I
Yes,
thought,
I got it.
wow! Parang last 2 minutes, lamang ng tres yung kalaban, tapos nag-tres ka, tapos na-foul ka! Tapos
And
pumasok.
it was actually in Sorsogon.
That you proposed in Sorsogon. Wait, so, but you're not saying hindi mo siya niligawan, right?
No, hindi ko siya niligawan before.
In the formal sense.
In the formal sense of the
sense.
word,
But there was
before-
an unfolding.
Yeah.
got to know each other. Pero I'm sure nagpapakyut ka na
Parang
noon,
yung
di
80s
ba?
na getting, wala, may hangganan yun.
May
May hangganan yun, iha kahit. Sa level niya, parang yung pagpapakit yata, hindi natin naman yun.
Tsaka kahit tumambling ka pa doon, man. Teka, let's talk about Cheese Escot Senator as a human being. Is it okay? Like, can we go to
Yeah.
human questions? Like,
Taon naman
her
tayo.
former boyfriends are all fantastic looking, right? Sorry, just
But
say
God
yes.
is good and fair and
God
just.
is good. Wait, that's the lazy answer. You
No.
go straight to
You
God.
have to remember, God is good and fair and just.
Oh, yes.
He won't give everything to
I'm
one
not-
person, and He won't take
that-
away everything from one person
That
either.
is slightly mean. Do you realize you just said something mean, but it's
I
so
just tried to
covered.
get back at you.
No, wait, let's go. Nagpapapogi ka ba ngayon? Kasi ang ganda ng fiancé
Sa
mo.
Tagalog,
so.
hindi. Ang turo sa akin ng lolo ko, huwag kang tumabis na mas maganda o mas gwapo sa'yo. Para mas may itsura ka, di ba? Hindi nakakapagpagwapo yun. Hindi.
Hindi na kaya.
No,
but
noong una
then-
kaming nag-meet ni Hart, I asked her, so what does your ex do?
What does your ex do? What did
Sabi
she
niya,
say? He's an actor?
Model, etc. So I go, so I guess he goes to the gym every day. So,
Did you start going to the
Part
gym?
ng conversation, tira niya, do you go to the gym? I was with a friend of mine.
Oo.
Sabi
Nabilaukan yung friend mo.
He was bigger than I was. So,
Okay.
I said,
A
no.
lot of them are bigger than
No,
you.
no. She goes, why?
Why?
The convenient answer I gave her at that time, first time we saw each other and met each other was, sabi ko, at least para pag minahal kami talaga, hindi yung katawan namin.
Do I have to move here? Oh, was I blocking him? Sorry. Pinag-uusapan nga lang namin na pogi yung mga ex ni Hart. Na-insecure ka ba? Pag, kasi...
Hindi naman.
Sabagay,
Past is
sinador
past.
ka. Well, that's true.
Past is past.
That's
yun.
true. I always imagine that if you're someone that's smashingly good looking, because she is, selos is a factor. Like,
Probably when I get a little older pa.
pero sa ngayon may yabang ka pa eh.
Hindi naman yabang. It's not a question of confidence. It's not a question of absence of insecurity. It's a question of having faith and confidence in her.
Assuring
Not necessarily in me.
you your place in her life.
Yes,
Ganyan.
in her. Not necessarily in me.
This is amazing. I love interviews. I never get to do this. I'm always interviewing farmers, angry people who, but now I'm interviewing a
Sa lahat
senator
ng
who's you're
away nga sa
obviously in
Senado,
love.
hindi ako sumasali kasi
Love, di ba?
I'm a lover. Not parang pag natin ako, sir, ba't di ka sumama sa investigation? Sir, ba't ganito?
Oo nga.
Hindi ako fighter, a lover
Hey,
lang.
I have a tricky question, and
Yes.
I will not like your answer for sure. But we always disagreed. Senator Escudero
Really?
and
We
I,
always
we
disagree?
constantly disagree, but we're very fair when we fight. So
Argue,
I don't argue. Sorry. Why would you want President Marcos in the libingan ng mga bayani? We
that was
don't
asked.
agree on this,
That was asked.
but I need to hear your answer. I
No,
promise.
I was
that-
asked, do you favor it? I go, the administration should be open to it and consider it.
Okay.
No, the headline was, I'm asking for it. I did not ask for it. In fact, the second question was, I remember that interview. The second question was, so will you file a resolution?
Okay.
I go, no. They go, why? Well, he has a son here and a wife in the house. They should
Yeah.
do it. I'm not about to do it. But if you ask me, I mean, this issue should be settled one way or the other, once and for all. It's been 30 years.
Are you yes or no?
Which one?
You signed for him being... that's your father's.
No, I did. My dad did. It was my dad who filed the resolution.
But
I was
you
in the
signed-
Senate already at that
Okay. Did it get to the Senate?
No. it didn't.
No. Okay.
No, but if you ask me, a lot of people
Yeah,
will,
why?
will disagree because they were hurt.
Si Ferdinand Marcos
they
in the
suffered
libingan ng
during
mga
his
bayan.
time. But when I was asked, I said he was a former head of state.
Yeah.
Now, whether he was a bad head of state, a good head of state, whether he was really a hero or those
Or
were
not.
fake,
Oo.
we should put that already not behind us and forget us, but we should settle that issue one way or the other. Hindi yung may bangkay pang nakaangat sa lupa hanggang
Well,
ngayon.
sila naman ang nag-decide hindi i-bury di ba?
Agree.
Hindi naman tayo eh.
Agree,
That's
but
their
neither
call.
should we leave it like that. I mean, they
Oh.
should with finality say no. Hindi yung depende sa
Okay,
administrasyon.
Depende. Wait. I get it. You are...
It should be settled. Now, for those who are saying, tatay ko, ministro ni Marcos, etc., etc. Well, number one, my dad was a technocrat under Marcos and he only served for less than 2 years before EDSA happened.
Oh, really? But
Number-
there's... Oh, okay.
He was appointed 84. Number two, Dun sa nagsasabing maraming inapi si Marcos, my record is clear too, gang. I authored the Marcos Compensation Bill.
You did.
It was never passed for the past 20 years. It was passed during my stint and term when I was chair, and I was the principal author, in fact, of the Marcos Compensation Bill. So, no arguments about history. Kung ano yung ginawa niya at di niya ginawa. My thoughts are clear on that.
But I have no feelings. I have no feelings right now. Just as science.
Mm-hmm.
He was number one, fact, deposed,
True.
kicked out of position. Two,
The other one who was deposed became mayor of Manila.
sent into exile, etc., etc. Historically, sent away by his own people at that time. As a science, you can't have someone who was deposed to become a hero, right? Because there's a definition of a hero that's pretty set and you can't really argue with it. So, for me, as science, salungat siya
I agree with
agad,
you.
di ba?
No, I agree with you.
No feelings. I have no feelings
As I
about
said,
it. I'm talking
let's
about
settle
it as
it
a
one way or
scientist.
the other.
Social scientist pala.
So, paano yan pag, let's say, may tumakbong Marcos at nanalo?
Okay.
So,
Lahat ng Marcos na tumakbo nanalo, okay?
No,
Huwag
but why
tayong...
maging presidente and is in a position to decide?
presidente. Okay.
So why can't we decide with finality already? Na no. Whether it's through a court, a law,
Do you think that should be put to vote? Like public vote, like a plebiscite like they do in the States?
yeah, a
Diba?
referendum.
Diba referendum?
Settle it once and for all. Again, it can be a law. Someone can file a case.
Oo.
I mean, in fact, I don't know while no one has filed a case. Again, I'm not about to. I mean, I just,
No, yeah, fair.
So, file a case, then let it be decided once and for all. Para tapos. Para wala na. Hindi, may bitin ba? Yung parang, 30 taon na may issue pang bitin. Walang ganon.
Well, bitin din yung pagbalik ng perang nawawala.
Well, that's true.
Diba?
In fact, I keep on holding PCGG to that.
Oo.
They have been in existence for nearly 30 years. And their record is dismal to say the least.
Yeah.
Dismal in the sense that, for example, lahat ng asset na tinake over nila 1986, nalugi.
Okay.
Except for one, San Miguel.
Yeah.
And the Coco Levy
That's
Fund.
because of us.
Well,
We fund San
but
Miguel.
not because of them.
Yeah.
Not because of them. Pero lahat nalugi. And where is that accounting after 30 years? Alam mo, pinakamasakit, based on earlier studies about the PCGG, parang double dead na karne. Yung ninakaw uli. Twice over. Which is sad.
You think? Ganun ba yun? That
Nasaan?
Senator sige, magre-research ako a bit more on that. I
Yeah.
think some people asking questions.
Off the air, I'll give you.
Ay, well, yeah.
Off the air, I'll give
Off
you
the air, off the air.
something to investigate.
People are asking if, what's the word? How are your kids with your fiancé? Ganda naman ng
They're okay.
tanong
My
niya.
kids live with me.
Sorry, this is a question of Gloria Jane.
My kids live with me. They're okay.
They're older na. I mean, hindi
They're
na sila
okay.
toddler
They're 7.
ngayon na. They really
They're
ask.
7. They turned 7 last September.
May sariling utak na talaga itong mga tanong.
Kaya sinasagad ko na ngayon kasi a few years from now, pag tinawag mo, hindi na lalapit yan. Pag nagpahalik ka, mahihiya na. So ngayon,
Hindi na
tantad ng halik.
magpapahag yung anak mong lalaki.
So ngayon,
in
tantad
public.
ng halik at tantad ng yakap at gigil yun. Kasi in the next few years, probably they won't be the same.
That's true.
But they're okay. Heart and my kids get along pretty well. Mas malapit yung edad nila kaysa sa edad namin. So they get along.
Musus Mariosep. Tinatry ko hindi tumawa. Ang dami naman nating topic na hindi pwedeng pag-usapan, oh.
Nakalagay dyan yung mga bawal.
Oo,
Pati nga.
dito eh. Wait, I have a question. Nililihis mo kasi yung hindi ka ba tatakbo for president by distracting us with the marriage answer eh. Are you running for president or vice president? Wait. Or are you thinking about it? It's not yet there. Or you'll ask me again in 6 months. Yan, binigyan kita ng option.
The more accurate one is, I'm not thinking about it. I'm not planning. I'm not doing anything, in fact. I mean, you would know. I mean, ask any politician. They would know if I was planning to and I was moving heaven and earth to do so. You can obviously see it in some of my colleagues in the Senate. I'm not doing what they're doing.
Pwesto na.
I'm not doing what they're doing. I'm not moving. I'm not talking the talk and moving the move, making the moves. No.
Wawala.
But ask me again. That would be correct. Ask me again
Ask
just
me
before
in
the last day of
half a
filing.
year. In the last day of filing. You know what?
But right now, I'm not gung ho for it,
Really?
I'm happy
That's
where I
because
am.
you're getting married. That's just
Yeah,
because
that's
you're getting
precisely
married.
why. Kaya nga di ba sabi ko, lakad muna bago tayo.
Okay.
That's really far from...
Isa, mahirap tong tanong na to. And again, I have no feelings.
Please go.
Before 2010, you had some movement.
Yes.
Yeah, you had that ad with the Apoy and the hoodie. You had Say Cheese, the book. You had, and those are movements. The kind of lead and get the feel if I can run
None
for
of those
president
are
or
happening
not.
now. So
Because you did it in 2010.
not only that.
That's what you mean, right? Those movements, those feeling movements.
Yes,
those,
and even with some of my colleagues, they all of a sudden start going around the country already.
Yeah.
They accept this and that speaking engagement. They come up. They have a complete team.
already.
Who issue press releases. They do surveys. Kompleto na.
Okay.
Walang ganon. My staff is still my staff from before.
You mean you didn't fly anyone from the Obama campaign?
No, none.
I was just curious. I
Sa
heard.
mahal yan, dollar ang bayad ito. Nasa peso lang tayo ang bayad.
Talaga? So no movement like, but no, wait.
What?
How do you feel when people say, kita mo to si Chis Chinempo yung kasal?
Well,
Diba?
actually,
That's a painful accusation. I think it's unfair. But you can't take it away from many Filipinos
can't
and
take it away from
analysts who say, oh, Chinechempo yung kasal
I
because he's
can't take it away
running.
from them. I'm a student of history and numbers. Pinatunayan na ni Pangulong Aquino na pwede kang maging presidente ng binata, hindi mo kailangan magpakasal. Pinatunayan ni Secretary Rojas.
So effort ba yun kay Pinoy?
Pinatunayan niya ni Secretary
Gago,
Rojas.
natural sumama sa kanya yun. Wala talaga
Pinatunayan
siyang
naman ni
shota.
Secretary Rojas na hindi porkit nagpakasal ka rin, automatic din darating yun. So either way, on both occasions in 2010, it was proven that it has nothing to do with it. That people either do it or don't do it for totally personal
Irrelevant.
reasons.
Oh, okay. You thought about this. You thought about it. Wait.
Pero hindi ba-
No, pero, does Heart get bothered when she hears that? No, Chinempo lang yung kasal kasi malapit na
No, because it's...
Lalo na, gutom tayo sa First Lady. I'm sure si Pinoy din gutom sa First Lady. Pero tayo rin, First Lady. Lolo ko lang ako. I have no feelings once again.
I know, but no way, it's unfair. So if I don't get married, I'm emulating Pinoy because I want to be like him too.
But he's
Because
your
that's what
best
the people
man.
want.
Isn't he your best man?
Yes. Hindi ko siya pwedeng kuning ninong kasi magkaibigan naman kami, hindi siya mas mataas, meaning like an uncle or a tito. Number two, as far as I know, he doesn't want to stand as a sponsor. Kasi naman pamahin,
Oo nga.
pag nagninong ka, baka hindi ka na maging,
Nagnininang na ako sa kasal, Cheese. Ikaw.
may asawa ka na eh.
Oo.
Pero I mean siya. So, yung mga
Ganun
binata
ba?
ba, nagpamahin ganun, may kasabihan.
Hindi ako kay Ebe, yung sa sugar-free singer.
Pag nagnininang o ninong ka na raw na single ka pa,
Baka matagalan.
may kasabihan na hindi na, o matatagalan, o mahihirapan. I think Rocky believes in that.
Tingin
I
ko
don't
pag pangit ka at pangit ugali mo, masigurado yun. Hindi siguro yung ninongness yung...
Hindi rin, kasi marami akong kilalang gano'n na may asawa, nakadalawa na.
Sa bagay, sa bagay, alam mo, don't risk it, diba? Why risk it? May never know about these things. Kaya nga may mga cat
Ate
na
that's the
gumagano
answer.
sa...
No relation.
No relation.
No
But
relation.
wait, and even that, getting him as a best man, people keep accusing na parang, he has brothers naman. Why did he get the president? Why did...
I'll answer that directly too.
Okay, go!
Wala akong kinuha na kasama sa entourage ko. Maliban sa nanay ko, syempre. I mean,
Siyempre, oh.
nakasama sa entourage
Dun
dati.
sa unang kasal.
Kasi bakit sila yung may kasalanan kung bakit nagkaganon yun eh.
I'm sure hindi.
So,
Ang dami mo namang pamahiin.
hindi, so none. In fact, not a single politician ang ninong ko. All of them are private
Except the
individuals.
president.
He's
Kung
not a
sinulit
ninong.
mo naman.
He's not a
Okay,
ninong.
in the ninong. So you did... Wait, your ninongs, your godparents in the first marriage, they...
Yun, talaga, puro politika yun.
Ah,
Because you have to remember, my dad was a politician.
that's right.
I'll give you an example of my first wedding. Kaya nga,
Give me your roster of godparents in the first wedding.
First wedding?
Yeah.
Ferdinand
Ferdinand Marcos?
President Arab, former President Ramos,
Wow.
ninong muna, FPJ, Danding, Luso, MVP,
Wow. That's like the whole presidential
Bongbong.
roster. Bongbong was your ninong?
Yeah, because my dad was a minister under
nga
Marcos. So,
pala.
di ba pag kinakasal ko yung tatay, ito
Siya
nagtrabaho ko
ang
dito,
pipili,
ganito.
oo.
Speaker Villar,
Oh.
Lauren Legarda, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo at that time.
Lawrence, your ninang?
Yes, Congressman Espinosa, if I remember correctly.
Have you ever
Gina De
butt
Venecia?
heads with any of your godparents on the legislative
Gloria.
floor?
Jimmy.
Gloria. She was your ninang also? Wow. Now your roster of godparents are mostly friends.
Mostly
and-
private, so I'd rather keep them private too. They're not
Oh, yeah, that's
politicians.
fine. I won't ask. I won't let
Pero wala akong ninong na politiko.
Okay.
Nisa.
And paano kung may good friend ka talaga na pwede namang ninong, kaya lang politician lang siya, kaya di mo siya kinuha?
Hindi namin kinuha. Ayoko. Hindi ko kinuha.
Okay, that makes sense. But did you have a division? Like, did the heart choose some of the godparents as well?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Did you do it by gender or hindi?
She chose
The
some...
ninangs and you chose the ninongs? No.
May
hindi
mga
naman.
lalaki siyang pinili. May mga lalaki.
Ah.
Mostly from her world naman. Wala rin politiko doon.
Oh, yeah. Hey, someone was asking, but parang it's family. Parang ayoko i-touch. Are you okay na daw with her parents? Is that okay?
Not yet.
You don't have to answer that.
I'll answer. Not yet, but she's okay with her dad more than her mom.
Okay.
It's a work in progress. No, I cannot say that I've talked to them.
But you never plan to, let's wait until before we, di ba? Wala ka bang ganun na sana? Oras na makausap ko sila ng maayos. Ganun.
Well, I conveyed a message before I
but
proposed.
you want to fix it, right?
I conveyed a message before I proposed to Hart. And the message was received and they gave their blessing.
Oh, to you?
Not to me directly again. It was through. It was through her sister.
Oh.
In fact, when I proposed, that was the text I showed her before I proposed.
The message.
From her dad.
Oh, wow. Ang sarap. Sarap mo pala interview pag love ang pinag-uusapan, ano? Kasi parang mas animated
Kasi
ka.
pwedeng...
Alam mo kasi...
wala ka naaapakan pag ganun, wala kang kailangan iwasan.
Hindi lang yun. Hindi lang
Hindi
yun.
ka naninimbang.
Hindi lang yun. Pag tinatanong kita about politics, tapos it's a question you already answered before, dude, nag-shift ka ng tono, tapos parang monotone.
Ay, ganun ba yan? Well,
Kasi memorize mo eh. Robotic
Hindi
ka na
lang sa
sumagot eh.
memorize,
Pero
it's-
pag casual answer,
I'm more formal when it comes to work.
yeah, that's right.
Then-
Formal doesn't mean monotone. You're like, "Boo." Sometimes I'm like, parang si Small Wonder, yung robot na girl.
Formal, meaning boring. Formal.
Hey, you're not boring. Heart Evangelista fell in love with you. That's like a reflection on her. We had
That's a reflection on her, no?
it's a reflection on her if she chose you. You're probably not boring. Sige, isip tayo. So, hindi mo pa iniisip, wala kang movement na nangyayari, ask you again in half a year.
What again?
Ask you
Sorry.
again in half a year. This is everyone's so curious about the president thing, eh, if you're
Yeah.
running for president or not.
Yes, because right now, really, I'm not planning, I'm not moving. It'll be a lie to say you're not thinking about it. Everybody's thinking about it. I mean, at the back of their mind,
of course.
once a month, once a week. There are times you dream
Once a
about
month. Uy,
it.
Thursday ngayon, I want to be president, you know?
Parang ganun, but I mean, every politician, even a barangay captain, thinks about it or dreams of it at some point. But to actually be doing something about it, planning for it, seriously moving heaven and earth and talking to people about it, no, I'm not doing that.
Are you like funky talking about people who fund you? So we don't have to go there.
I declared that anyway. I
Ayun
declared
naman.
that as part
Hey,
of our declarations in common.
You know what? On the record, kasi we're recording this and for history, as if historic to walang
Historical,
kwentang
no?
interview na to. Did you ever steal from public funds? I want a yes or a no.
The answer would naturally be a no. Otherwise, I would be included already in this big scandal involving most legislators.
See, that's not a yes or a no. That's a,
No,
you're
no.
so good at this.
No.
Magaling ka dito sa sagot-sagot.
Tinuro sa my dad taught me that actually. My
So,
dad,
wala kang mansion somewhere, ganon, sa
I live
New
in a
York?
townhouse.
Oo nga eh. Sabi
I've
ko
been
sana,
living in the same townhouse.
pumasok ako sa bahay niyo, sabi ko, ano ba itong senator na to? Yung garahe sa baba, hindi kanya.
Alam mo masakit? When I was thinking of running in 2009, someone actually said, "How can you run for president? He's
You live
only
in a
living in a townhouse." I mean,
townhouse.
isn't that ironic?
Oh,
Parang
yeah,
mali
I
yata
think
yun.
so.
Bakit? Yung men nakatira lang sa malaking bahay ang pwede? Ganun ba yun? Yung ba ibig sabihin nun?
Siya. Tanong mo siya. Ako,
But
pwede townhouse.
the point is, I've been living there since before I got married the first time.
Okay, yeah.
I'm still living there.
With your
Going
two
into
kids.
my second marriage.
Oo.
Actually, Hart has been constructing a house
She has more money than you,
She
no?
does. I mean, admittedly.
My God, you're marrying a richer girl. You're marrying her for her money. Just
Admittedly, but
kidding.
we're doing a prenup.
You're doing. There's a prenup. Are you
Yeah.
serious?
I'm not.
Are you okay with that announcing that you just did? So that's
Yeah.